DMK functionary in Tirunelveli to the BJP Tamil Nadu Youth Wing leader through Jagan Pandian. In Dindivanam, it is in Viluppuram district, the vice president of Dindivanam Municipal Corporation, she was not allowed to function and not given to seat in the stage because of she is belonging to the scheduled caste community. And a scheduled caste gentleman in November 2023 beaten up and urinated in the mouth of Gobi Chettipalayam near Erode district. And in January 2024, a DMK MLA in his housemaid are tortured, harassed, verbally abused by the DMK MLA's family. And in January 2024, a student from scheduled caste community attacked over the caste people in Pudukkottai district. In March 2022, an incident in Tirupur district, a youth belongs to the scheduled caste community was beaten in the school reunion function. And also in May 2024, a clash between two caste groups over members of the scheduled caste community entering the temple. So this is few incidents I mentioned here. So more than 2,000 incidents for a year. In recent, one Deepak Raja was brutally murdered in Tirunelveli district. So the scheduled caste leaders and scheduled caste people, they don't have security and they are facing harassment day by day under the DMK government. The DMK government claims that we are the pioneer of the social justice. No social justice they are not following. The Stalin don't have moral right to talk about the social justice. Because of the incidents I mentioned, day before yesterday, a Dalit leader, a social worker, and BSP's party state president murdered in the city itself, in the day itself. So where is the law and order? Totally the state government failure to maintain the law and order situation in the state of Tamil Nadu. Particularly the atrocities against the Dalits. So the delegation led by our senior leader, Dr. VP Durisamy, they are going to hand over the memorandum to the National SC/ST Commission as well as National Human Rights Commission to take appropriate action against the state government in the Stalin government. Thank you very much.
Any questions?
लंबे समय से घटनाएं हो रही हैं तमिलनाडु में और देखा कि बीएसपी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जिस तरह से हत्या हुई और चर्चा इस मामले पे हो गई, तो आप क्या कहने जा रहे हैं एससी कमीशन को? क्या उनको आप कहेंगे कोई जांच की सिफारिश या क्या?
इसलिए ये डेलीगेशन आज आए थे. ये डेलीगेशन आप जानते हैं तमिलनाडु में इतना अट्रॉसिटी अनुसूचित जाति लोग का ऊपर तमिलनाडु में हो रहा है. ये नेता का भी उधर सुरक्षा नहीं है, ये नेता का भी अटैक होगा. इसलिए हम जाएंगे. एक सीबीआई ऑलरेडी हम डिमांड किया 2 इंस्टेंट में. हमारा बीजेपी साइड और नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट आल्सो माननीय नड्डा जी demanded CBI inquiry in the Kallakurichi incident, and we are the BSP family and Armstrong family, and we are also demanding the Armstrong incident for the inquiry, CBI inquiry. And as well as आज हमारा डेलीगेशन जाएंगे, मेमोरेंडम दे देंगे, तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट से एक इंक्वायरी करेंगे इतना अट्रॉसिटी में एक्शन लेना, क्या क्या एक्शन लिया, क्या एक्शन लेने वाला था. इसलिए हमारा बीजेपी हमारा प्रदेश अध्यक्ष अन्नामलाई जी ने एक टीम भेजा आज, और आज ये जाके उनका मिलके मेमोरेंडम दे देंगे. Today they are going to meet National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Human Rights Commissions. In so I mentioned no so many incidents in Tamil Nadu. So many incidents. This is the one particular incidents only I mentioned. For a year, almost 2,000 incidents are reporting. It is a survey conducted by an untouchability front. And also, you see, 2 months before, there was a Congress leader murdered. The accused still not arrested. It's not for Blanc scheduled caste community, but I am talking about the law and order situation, I am telling. And 2 ADMK functionaries murdered. There is no action. Here what we demand, the totally DMK government failed to maintain law and order situation, and they are unable to give the suraksha, and they are unable to stop the atrocity against the Dalits. That's why our delegation is going to meet Scheduled Caste Commission as well as Human Rights Commission. सर दोनों मामला के भी सीबीआई कर इंक्वायरी चाहिए, एक कल्लाकुरिची मामला में, दूसरा बीएसपी लीडर का मामला में.